Tangko. Yan. Ganyan lang ang hinugasan niya. Ano yung itsura niya, oh. A lot of sun, honey. That's good. We have... Oy! Oh! Tingnan nyo. Pasensya na kayo sa itsura ng aking asawa. Ayan. Show it to me, honey. Wow! A big one, ha?
Yeah.
Sineseparate niya yung mga malalaki
This
at
one is not good.
maliliit yun. May ano din, ha? Bulog yung isa. Wow! Isa lot. Yan ang naming patatas nung tinanim namin. Kailan yun? When was that, honey? We planted last May?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, nung last May. May, June, July, August. Only 2 months.